just acquired this Ford Focus Zetec Diesel Sport. It's an absolutely beautiful Melina blue. Drives absolutely superb. The high level rear spoiler, ST rear diffuser. It has literally just arrived. Interior's in lovely condition. See a special red stitch piping on this one. It's got great specifications, 155,000 miles. 6-speed gearbox, augs down there, line in. It's got satellite navigation. It's got Bluetooth, full menu bar, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel. Very hard to come by like this with this mileage, this price. DJ's full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.